Now we will see the valid modes and rules of the figure. In the previous video we have seen the 4 figures. Now for the each figure we will see the rules of the each figure, and we have seen the 8 valid pairs. So this is the rule of figure number 1. In figure number 1 we have seen what is the structure. It is in this cross connection M, and here M is situated. So in the first figure the middle term stands as the subject. Here it is the subject of the first measure premise. This is the measure premise, minor premise and conclusion. So the middle term means M. It is the subject of the measure premise and predicate of the minor premise. Now the rules of the figure number 1 are: the minor premise must be affirmative and the measure premise must be universal. So in the previous video we have seen the total combinations which were valid. From this only these 4 combinations will apply to this first figure: AA, then AI, EA and EI. According to this rule we have taken these 4 valid pairs. Then AA means in the combination AA both the premise are affirmative, therefore conclusion will be affirmative. Now we have seen the 7 general rules. According to that we are taking this. So we have seen the 7 general rules. In that there was the seventh rule was that when 2 affirmatives are there, then the conclusion must be affirmative. So in the combination of AA means we have taken this pair AA. In the combination AA both the premise are affirmative, therefore the conclusion will be affirmative. This is the mood. So the mood will come AA and the conclusion is also A. So it is the Barbara. Name of this mood is Barbara. The next pair is AI. So in this combination AI both are affirmative and therefore the conclusion will be affirmative. AI. So the conclusion will come here AI and I. As one of the premise is particular, so conclusion must be particular. So the mood is AII. So it is Dari. So there is a table of the moods. We will see it later. So AII. This is the example. All dancers are fit. All means A. Some actors are dancers. Some means I. And some actors are fit. Conclusion will come this AII. Then EA. In this combination EA, negative is there. So one of the premise is negative. So conclusion must be negative. According to this, the 7 general rules. So EA, conclusion will become compulsory E. So it is the Kellerant. Then EI. Now here in this combination, when the measure premise is negative, minor premise is particular, so conclusion will be particular negative. Means particular negative means some not, means O. So EIO. It is Ferio. So here we completed the rules of the first figure. So for the first figure, there are these 4 moods. So Barbara means AAA. Kellerant means EAE. Means we were writing the mood name. When it will come AII means it is Dari. EIO means Ferio. In first figure, Barbara, Kellerant, Dari, Ferio. In second figure, Cicere, EAE, Camestris, AEE, Barocco, AOO, Fastino, EIO. In third figure, Darapti, AAI. When it will come AII means Disamis, then Datisi, AII, Phalapton, EAO, Bocardo, OAO, Fredrikson, EIO. In fourth figure, Bramantip, AAI, Caminis, AEE, Demaris, IAI, Fesapo, EAO, and Fredrikson, EIO. So we have to learn this table and we have to remember this. Because while solving the arguments, when the argument comes valid, then we have to state the mood of it. Means if the argument is valid, means we have seen in the previous video how to look at the argument is valid or not. When the argument comes valid, then we have to write the mood name. If the argument is in the form of AAA, then it's Barbara. So you have to remember this table. When it comes AAI, means it is the Darapti. So here we have seen the rules of the first figure. AAA. Now this argument is in the form of AAA, means it is the Barbara. AII means it is Dari. So according to the general rules, first we have to check the argument is valid or not. If it is valid, then we have to state the mood name. If it is invalid, then there is not necessary to state the mood name.